Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for all my subscribers, welcome back, guys, to the channel. If you're here, you're probably online searching for a way to make some money online, and you ended up on my channel, which is an affiliate marketing channel. I show you different home-based business opportunities and ways you can make money online, part-time, full-time, spare time. Okay, and I'm back today, guys, to give you an update on a program that I'm a part of called SMS phone leads. Okay, so I'm going to show you they're going to be making some changes, and I want to give you the update. Okay, as you can see on the screen, it shows you warning: big changes coming to SMS phone leads as of 11/12. Okay, at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the new SMS phone leads will be unleashed along with a higher price ticket of $37. Okay, right now, the SMS phone leads is only $20, and it's been what, $20 since it launched in 2018. So they're going to be raising the price, and they're going to be adding some more value to the system. Okay, so just wanted to bring that to your attention. So if you're interested in SMS phone leads, you want to go ahead and click my link right now today and get that system for $20, because it will be going up. Okay, so I want to show you, I see where they've added some tabs in here, and I can just show you what they've added thus far. But in 2 days, they will be adding the whole new system, okay, and all the new value that they're going to be putting into that system in here. So let me show you some of the changes that I see thus far. Okay, so hang on a second, let me log in. Hey, all right, I am logged in here. Okay, and okay, shows I've got 5,000 credits. I basically use SMS phone leads, the platform, to do the SMS blaster. I like to send out the text messages where you can send one text message to 200 leads a day. Okay, so let's see here. From what I can see, if you click on training, there's an SMS vault. Okay, there's a story page they've added, Facebook live stream. So there's a few things that's going to be changed here, guys. Right here it tells you it's the home of the interactive SMS phone funnel. So there's going to be some updates in here. So let's see, if we click on the vault, okay, and you get a lot of training and value actually for $20. So I mean, even if it's $37, you're going to get quite a bit back here. Okay, so that's training. Let's see, story page, that's something new. Welcome to the new story page. Okay, so they're going to be adding that. Facebook live stream. So now they're going to have, looks like a course, guys. It's going to be $197 for this course, but you're going to be able to make a $100 commission when somebody buys this course. It's a one-time fee. Okay, it is basically going to show you how to do Facebook Lives. And it states right here, Facebook with Instagram, YouTube. So it's going to be a training course. Okay, so they're going to add that in the SMS phone leads. Okay, and there's a $262 sales funnel. Okay, so it's going to be some changes. Looks like some good changes. So it's going to be a way to make more commissions with SMS phone leads. Okay, let's see what else back here. That's the bonus. We already had that. So you get a lot with this system, guys. Here's your swipes, email swipes, text messages, classified ads, social media. So this was already back here. So I'm just kind of showing you what's new. Okay, interactive phone funnel. That's going to be something they're adding. Okay, it's not active yet. I clicked it. It's not working. New voice messaging system. New inner circle. I'm already using the blaster. This is what I use right here on a day-to-day basis. See, you have 200 a day blaster account, so I can actually send a message out every day. And let me show you the last one that I sent. Looking for part-time work for the holidays. We make daily deposits, and I send them to my copy paste system. Okay, so I love that feature in here. So those are some new things, and it'll be coming. And right here it says tab. Here's a new tab, picks and shovels. Okay, so this is going to be awesome. I think another income stream. Basically, they're adding more income streams in here, more value to the SMS phone leads platform. All right, so go ahead and get this today, because it's going to go up in 2 days to $37. So you don't want to miss that. Grab this little system today so that you can be locked in and grandfathered in, okay? Because otherwise, everybody going forward in 2 days are going to be paying $37 to get this system. Now, while I have you here, I have another platform, another software called Press One Cash. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so if you're looking for bigger commissions, Press One Cash is a great software. It allows you to promote any business opportunity you're in. It's not going to interfere with what you're doing. It's actually going to enhance that. It's going to help you promote your primary business if you have one. If you don't have one, you can actually use Press One as your primary, and you make $200 every time someone purchases this software from you. Okay, it has a one-up comp plan included. The first sale will pass up. You join, and then your first sale passes up to your sponsor, and that gives you leverage, okay, in a way to make passive income effortlessly from people just passing up to you as they join your team. Okay, it's only $297 one time. There's no monthly fees with this, okay? So it's a great tool that you can use. And I just showed you guys, I have a postcard for this called your Fire Your Boss Postcard. So if you're interested in just mailing postcards to promote your Press One Cash business, you definitely want to join my team and get those postcards, okay? But all you're doing, guys, is sharing this phone number, and what it will do is when people call in and they press 1, it will text them your link. Whatever website you want to promote, it's going to do that, okay? So great way to promote a business. I mean, it's great for real estate agents, internet marketers, anyone that has a website. Okay, if you have a website with your business, whether you're selling tea or whatever you're selling, this is going to be a great system to use. And as I said, you make $200 per sale for everybody that buys this software from you. Okay, because everybody carries their phone, guys. Digital, we're in a digital age. Okay, everything is instantaneous. There's an app for everything, so people carry their phones. We don't leave home without them. It's just like walking out the house without your wallet. You don't walk out the house without your wallet. You don't walk out your house without your cell phone. Okay, so people will read a text message quicker than anything. Okay, so this is the way to go. This is a way to promote your business with text message marketing. Okay, so at any rate, SMS phone leads, as I stated, we'll be making a change. It will be going up from 20 to 37, and they're going to be adding quite a bit of value with this. So you want to grab that link below and get it today before the price goes up. And then Press One Cash is my other software. You want to call this number and check it out. You may not see my name in there. You may see one of my teammates. And because I am adding them in my rotator, and you'll be added in my rotator as well. Okay, so check it out. Both links will be below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, guys, I look forward to working with you in either one of these systems. Doesn't matter which one. Just give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them both. And you decide which way you want to go. All right, guys, look forward to working with you. We'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.